Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to talk to you guys about a new promotion that Madam Glam is doing. Peep in the background, a little sneak peek of next month's collection. So I'm getting my computer open to get on their website to show you some things. But they've given me an extra discount code. So if you guys get onto the website, you can use my, I think it's Ginger Gels 30, and you save 30%. But that is off of just regular priced items. Then they have also the VIP program, of course. I know some people don't do the VIP program. Let me just set you guys down right there. Perfect. Some people don't do the VIP program because they don't want to commit to every month having money taken out or purchasing every month. But the VIP program does save you 50% off of just about everything on the site, I believe. Let me get on the website here. So I haven't been on in a while. Some things have changed. They have some new products that I haven't seen. But if you sign up for the VIP program, you can get an additional $5 off. So I think the only caveat is that you have to spend $40, which honestly, that's like your base coat, your top coat, and 2 colors usually. So if you sign up to become a VIP member, you can use the code. I'm going to pop it up on the screen here. It is Gelsngems. You can just use that code, all one word, all caps, and it's Gels, Gelsngems, Gelsngems. So, ooh, they got some really pretty stuff on here. So, let me flip you. So, their website is, I believe their VIP program is a little different as well, too. So, but same great product as always. They've got these little kits now, which are so cool. They've got this tortoise kit. I just ordered a couple of things from this, which are really, really nice. And they got a whole kit with everything you need to do your tortoise. Ooh, it comes with a cat eye. Ooh, which one's the cat eye? Is it the honey one? Look at how pretty. So pretty. I love doing a cat eye with my torties. There's another tortie. Very cool. This has your, this is what I think I ordered. This has like your jellies in it. I'm thinking I might have ordered the wrong one now, but I don't remember. It's been a minute. They'll be here today. We'll see. I know I'm all over the place, but it's been a minute since I've been on the website. Okay, if you click VIP here, it's going to take you to the VIP membership. It gives you early access, like always, to the monthly drops, and you get 50% off site-wide. That's fantastic. So, and your shipping is always free for your VIP. And let's see. On the first of each month, $39. So it used to be $29. It's $39 now. Will be charged and automatically transformed into store credit. So you can accumulate that up like over a few months and then have a big haul if you want to, or you can use it every single month. It's totally up to you. Current active VIPs will remain at $29 a month. So yeah, that's what it used to be. So if you're still a VIP, you're still at $29 a month. If you cancel and resubscribe, you will be enrolled as a new member. So then you will be back at the $39. So that's nice that they're giving like loyal VIP members that discount still. Usually it's like new members only get discounts, which I think is silly. Like if you've been a member for a long time, you should get the perks, right? That makes sense to me. Get 50% off site-wide. Half the price. Join a VIP club. You start enjoying your perks right away. Okay, yeah. So if you sign up to become a VIP and you want to get an additional discount, you can use my code, my new code that I have, and that'll give you an additional $5 off. So you can sign up for VIP, cancel anytime. I don't know what this elite thing is up here. Let me see what this is. So that's $99 a month. A retail value of $250. Ooh, how this one works. So there's all kinds of stuff on here. So get on the website and explore. Ooh, yes, a lamp, all that good stuff. Also, Madam Glam has some of the best cuticle nippers I've ever used. They're so good. So yeah, get on there, explore. So the $5 additional code, I was testing it out. It doesn't work with the 30% off, but it works with the VIP. And if you don't want to do the VIP and you just want to save the $5, I believe it just works on its own as well. But I would like highly recommend checking out the VIP program. You're going to get your 50% off your gels. Then you'll get that additional $5 off. And yeah, hopefully I've explained this well enough to you guys. I didn't want to babble on too much, but yeah, if you just want to get on there and like just try something, a little extra discount for you. So hopefully I've explained it okay and you guys understand what I'm trying to tell you. This promotion for the extra $5 will last till the end of this week. So it is, let me see, Tuesday the 25th, and I believe it will go until the 29th. I'm not 100% sure. They may extend it a little longer if people are enjoying using it. So get on there and check some stuff out from Madam Glam. I have so many. You guys know it is my favorite brand. I've tried lots of other brands too. I've actually gotten rid of a few because they have gotten so old that I just needed to get rid of them. But yeah, that is the wall. And I extended the wall to that wall because I just didn't have enough room. So Amanda is storing a lot of my extras. But I have tried Apres polishes, which I do like. They're very pigmented and I find them sometimes hard to cure. I've tried VETTSY polishes. They're okay. They're nothing too special, but they're okay. Cocoa and Claire I've tried. They're really nice. We haven't bought a ton of Cocoa and Claire. Another brand that I really like is Raya's. And her cat eyes are so good. I really love her stuff. And we've tried Sugars and Cream. And is that it? I believe that's the majority of the ones that we've dabbled around with. There's a couple other brands I really want to try. I really want to try some of the new Kira Sky Pro line. But honestly, with everything that I have tried here and there, I keep going back to Madam Glam because they're just so good and I love them so much. So, all right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to or not. I'm going to try to get a swatch video out for the newest collection. What was that? For the newest collection, getting ready to drop. There's a couple cat eyes in there. And yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.